Hey guys, so I ordered my first rosary from the Catholic Woodworker. And I just recently started praying the rosary, maybe, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. I got a simple, cheap wooden rosary at Mardell. And it's starting to, the threads are starting to kind of break apart. And I just decided to bite the bullet on this one. I got their Sacred Heart rosary. I mean, the video doesn't do it justice. Here's the crucifix, the Saint Benedict medal. Right here you got our Lord. Look at that. Trying to focus. Awesome, awesome. Love the little pouch. Built for battle. So, 10 out of 10, honestly. It looks amazing, and with this paracord, I mean, I'm pretty sure this is gonna last a while. So, here it is.